In this video I'm going to show you how to calibrate the ProStrip 01 cable stripper and cutter. Yellow handled device, multi-tool, does various things. It'll cut Cat5, it'll cut RG6, it'll strip Cat5, and it'll also cut various types of cable, RG11, RG7, RG6, RG59. It'll strip the cable with that one. This tool pushes out and you can actually rotate it depending on what kind of cable you've got. It pops back in like so. So that's now set for RG11 or RG7 type cable. Today we've got RG6, so you want it the other way around. It'll cut RG6 and RG59 this way, like that. Now you can also calibrate the cutting depth of the plug, and that's what this wheel's for. You notice that there's a plus and a minus on the side of the tool, and that's either increasing the cutting depth or it's decreasing the cutting depth. So the way to work that out is to cut several pieces of spare coax and spend a bit of time just adjusting this to your type of coax that you're using. So you can use the cutter to do that. Just pop the coax in there, give it a cut. There we go, nice piece of coax just to calibrate the cable. So you're going to put the cable in so that it's flush with the piece of black plastic there. So it needs to be flush to that. And you give it a spin, take it off, and just have a look at how that's cut the cable. So you can see that it's cut the first part quite nicely, that's not a problem, but it hasn't cut the depth that's needed to remove the PVC jacket of the second part. So what you're going to do is you want that to cut slightly deeper. So you rotate the little black wheel to the plus, keep rotating toward the plus, and then cable in like so, give it a twist. And when you've got it right, what you should find is that it removes the first part and the second part nice and easily. So there you've got the cable prepared, ready for your plug. So the ProStrip 01 will also cut flat telephone cable, which is what this is for. That would strip the 4p and the 6p cable. With the two blades that's there, you'd simply pass the cable through there until it hits the stop. There's a black stop there at the back. Pass the cable through until it hits the stop, close, and then strip off. If it's the 8p cable, then pass the cable through so it's just past the stop, and do the same, close and strip. So that's for flat cable or telephone cable. But it will also cut and strip Cat5 and Cat6 cable. This is low smoke cable, UTP Cat5E that we're going to try here. Cut it, simply put it into the back cutter, and that cuts the cable, so you can cut that to length as easy as that. This will also strip the outer jacket of the Cat cable. This cable's Cat5, but it will do Cat6. Pop the cable into the second hole there, like so. Give it a twist, pull, and it's as simple as that to remove the jacket for the Cat cable.